Welcome to Quick Tale English. Today's simple story, My Family, is perfect for your A1 level. Hello, my name is Mia. I am 7 years old. I live in a small, yellow house. I have a nice family. My family is big. There are 5 people in my family: my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, and me. First, this is my mom. Her name is Anna. Mom is 35 years old. She works at a school. She is a teacher. She likes to cook. Every morning, she makes my favorite breakfast. She is kind and smart. Next, this is my dad. His name is David. Dad is 38 years old. He works at a bank. He is a good worker. He likes to read books and he loves to watch football on TV. He is tall and funny. I have one brother. His name is Tom. He is 15 years old. He is tall and he is strong. Tom goes to high school. He plays basketball after school every day. He helps me with my homework sometimes. I also have one sister. Her name is Emily. She is 3 years old. She is very small and cute. Emily does not go to school yet. She likes to play with my toys. Sometimes she is loud, but I love her. We also have a pet. Our pet is a dog. His name is Max. Max is a golden retriever. He is very playful. Max likes to run in the park. Every afternoon, my dad takes him for a long walk. Max sleeps in my room at night. My family eats dinner together every evening. We talk about our day. We help each other. We watch movies on Friday nights. We are happy. We are a small but happy family. My family is the best. Thank you for listening. What about your family? In this story, we mastered the present simple, the verb to be, and the possessive adjectives. We used simple sentences to talk about jobs, she is a teacher, age, dad is 38 years old, and possessions, Max sleeps in my room. Excellent job! Here are some new words we learned today: teacher, bank, basketball, homework, cute, playful, golden retriever, loud, together. If you want more simple stories, grammar lessons, and vocabulary for A1 English, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend. Tell us in the comments, do you have a pet? We will see you next time. And remember, family is the first word we learn. Until then, stay focused and goodbye.